So welcome to another programming workout of mine. This will be number 405 out of 406 planned for today. So we will change this a little bit. There they go. Oh, it doesn't fit. Maybe I can do it smaller, and then there will be more can fit. Today's number 406. Oh, it's not stuck, so how do I change it? Is it like fixed? Yeah, it is. Okay, so width, we'll add width. It's okay. Still nothing. There you go. Okay. So we'll have that, okay. And now we have to fit you in somehow. This looks okay. Yeah. Hey, Darucia. How are you? Nice to see you here. I'm just about to start another session. I'm good. I just got to know that I reached the Twitch affiliate. So there should be like channel points in here. Like maybe I don't know yet how this works. I will figure it out on the way. Yeah, so I want to do 2 of them, the training number of 405 and 406 today. Yeah, there was like some page, and it looks like I need to set up something. I don't know, it's here and over here it says like, hey, something Twitch affiliate, and there are something which I have to set up, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Let's start like onboarding. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Let's enable 2-factor authorization. Okay. Okay. I guess I will do that. I will do that later off stream. I think. Yeah. Yeah. True. I need to do that offline, definitely. Anyway, I will start the typing, but I think I can manage to speak at the same time. How are you? I seen that you were streaming the Rust session 2 times. I noticed. Oh, is it? Nice. Oh, yeah, small communities are nice. You have a GitHub, and other guys contributing there too, or? Oh. Choose like it's nice. I probably should also, you know, that may be an inspiration for me to push some code too. You know, like I think, yeah, that's just when you mention it makes sense. I probably should do something like that as well. Yeah. Like this stream, for example, for me, works very well as a motivation. Well, sometimes I hate it, but I still do much more than when I don't stream. And to have even like public repository seems like another step in that direction. I like it. Who knows? Maybe I will learn. Maybe I will learn Rust too. But last time I checked for a Rust, it was a game, you know, like first-person shooter. So I don't know how you can program in that. 2%. Wow, you should come much more often. This is like that might be my best in a long time. That might be my best since I got this this keyboard. Thank you. Currently, I'm focusing only on precision, not the speed at all. Since hey Arkson, whoop whoop whoop! Yes, it is there, it is there. Yeah, so I need to finish some kind of like read terms and conditions and do some authentication, and then we can have the channel points. So, and I already have something in mind. So after you get some points, you can, for example, you would be able to change a variable name to anything you want. I will probably limit to some kind of amount of characters. I don't want to have 64 character variables. That's when I program, that is. I will have a look at that link right after that. If you want to join our Discord, here's an invite. Ah. Thank you. I think I will do so. And I have a Discord too, by the way. It's somewhere in, yeah, continue to restart, join Stack Overflow. Hello there. Oh, you did. Welcome. Oh, you did. I'm dumb. You did it like a few days ago or something like that. That's awesome. Oh, okay, so I just, you know, like whatever, show it on stream. That's nothing bad here. I will reply here and stop this timer. And then we will follow with the Java. Java. I start hating it. I'm doing it all the time. That's okay. That will pass. Conditions. Did I set it already there? Here we go. We don't need to anymore, and then we'll continue in here. This crap. Okay, cool. What did we did last time? Methods? Maybe. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, and here's also we need to do some housekeeping, so we will have a... JJ says, oh, how do you say? Oh, damn it, I forgot how to say hi in Polish. Den dobry. Den dobry. Den dobry. Well, it's not, well, hello. And thank you. What music I'm listening to? It's called... This is the Hydra currently. Ah, chest. That's it, yeah. And it's free music which you can stream without worries, and it can be downloaded on streambeats.com. That's the place where you can get it. Yeah, here it is. There's like few genres which you can choose, and what is it in here, and then I don't know. I'm doing the synthwave right now, so I did download it in here. Yeah. Oh yes, it is synthwave. So yeah. She knows music. I suppose. I don't know music that much, so. Yeah, no doubt. It has been proven, I would say. So I'll start the Java timer. Java files and IO. Okay, so I went through this already. So I should know this, right? Which means I probably don't. It's always like, yeah, I know there's like input stream, and then you have data, and you kind of have to stack them into one into another, and then it makes the thing, right? But I never remember them. I never do. So what we will do, yeah, the housekeeping. So I will create a package here. This will be run 001, the previous one, and I'll take all of those guys from here, right, and I move it to the folder which we created. Here we go. It'll take a bit. Okay, and then we'll create hello Robros SDR RRT. Sorry for butchering your name. Hello. Bob Ross. Oh, it's fucking Bob Ross. Oh, of course, the painter. So run 002. It's okay. I will be ashamed, Sarah. Good luck, have fun, pledge. Oh, and I never know what this is. Like, I'm really new to streaming, so I'm always like confused. But I'm guessing it means something good when you can like show it. Yeah. So here we will be demonstrating just okay, byte string characters, standard streams. Blah. So how is learning Java? So currently I did never seen peripherals like this. Well, oh well. Well, the Java is I went through this tutorial on oh, that's where is it here? On tutorials point, and now I'm going through it again and trying to remember if I remember anything. Yeah. And the peripherals. Oh yeah. So this is my keyboard. This weird looking thing. And this is my mouse, which doesn't move. I move the ball over here, and then it's doing its things. You know, I'm mousing around. That's how that works. Yeah, and the keyboard is like I like it, but you have to program it. So I have here the source code for it. It's written in C, but usually I only like change some constants, you know, like which key does what, except for the combos. For example, if I press those three keys together, it is an enter key. So that's a little bit different from a normal keyboard. Yeah, but other than that, yeah. Yeah, so let's go back to torching myself in Java, and I will resume the timer because we are doing 25 minutes of Java at least. So let's go. So what it was about? Well, if I don't look at anything and just go here and try to do anything, it would look something like this. I'll create a class. Will be streams. Yep. I'm a noob in everything. Yeah, well, my last title was full stack developer, but I suck, man. So I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to improve. So I remember we can read from a file. File could be, I will. I will create here some file. So this will be file, and we will have some text file. So we will call it input txt. It will be. And we will create also some output, so we can play it in here, file, and this will be, you guessed it, output.txt, and inside of there, well, in the input, I guess we can put something. This, come on, this is some text inside. Similar to you, like what you also were like employed as a full stack developer, or and here, yeah, so I can define the file. Not employed, but I say, okay, yeah, welcome to the club, I guess. How do I do that? Because I never remember the file path. So maybe if I drag it like this, it. Oh, okay. So that's not that. What about copy path? Oh, that looks nice. Okay, so I want not absolute, not this. Maybe this is that. We'll see. We'll see. So I will try to create a new file. Oh, come on. New file, and here I will pass in this thingy, and yes, it is the file, the standard file, everyone's file, and we'll extract it to a file variable. Yeah, that's how we roll in here. Now, the first thing which comes to my mind is like to do the input-output stream. So if I remember correctly, I can do new input stream. Yeah, and here we will put the file, and I can extract it to. This will be just is, and there's some problem. What is the problem? Abstract cannot be instantiated. Okay, so what kind of input stream we can have then? Input stream, file input stream, that would be the right one, I suppose. And there is a problem. We have an unhandled thingy, so oh damn it. Undo, go back. Okay, and I want to surround it with, well, not that I want it, but you know. Here I will say file input stream, and we will also create. Okay, so I have two files, right? I have the input and output, so I will rename this to input file, like so, and then I would have an output file, which I will take this. Oh, come on. Yank, paste, and this will be output file, right? And then this was output, if I remember correctly. Hopefully this will work. And now there was a unit read something. So I do input stream dot scope read. Okay, read all bytes sounds like something I could use. So I can create the file output stream. Oh, come on. File output stream. This will take the output file. I will extract it to output stream, and then I can say output stream dot right. Yep. And then I will take you. How do I? Capital D, yeah, capital D. Like that. And there's a problem. Unhandled exception IO. So we will do that. And I will replace this exception to more generic. And so after that, we have to close it if I remember correctly. So is, oh come on, is dot close and output stream close. You won in Tetris match? There is such a thing as a Tetris? Well, congratulations, first of all. Are you good with CS? No, I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so. I know a little bit, but I wouldn't call myself a good, not by any stretch of imagination. Well, so what you cannot figure out, just maybe you can type it out and maybe there's a random chance, 1 in a million, that I will know. Maybe I will know. If I know, I'm glad to help. Gap in a circle. Okay, so classic circle loading screen with the gap. Oh yeah, so there's a like this, like YouTube, for example, right? Have that. And you can figure out how to make gap in a border. You add padding, I would suppose. You would have something like, I don't know, what is google.com, and here if I would be modifying this, for example, inspect, so we have this guy, right? So I would attack the padding. Oh, so well, border radius should be enough 50% to get circle. Yes, I am learning Java. And right now I'm answering a question about CSS or so. Yes, it should be. And well, there is a CSS battle site which is full of examples, which could be helpful. So they even show like how to do animations like this in pure CSS and so on. I never went there, but that might be a place which help you. I'm not sure. Okay. I just know like a lot of people saying like this page is really good. Do you know when using the Liskov substitution principles in casting required between super and subclass? Well, if I remember correctly, the Liskov principle is that the one of the reverse of control, right? On the inversion of that. Well, solid principle. So I'll learn something now, or at least I will remember. Solid principles. No. Oh, you have a. That's great that you have a course on that. That. Single responsibility, open and closed, Liskov substitution. Starting that computer subtype of T, object type might be replaced with object of type S. If S is subtype of T, so the T is parent, then the objects of type T may be replaced with object. Yeah. So that goes because the kids, well, you have the parent class, right? And then you have this subclass, and the subclass has always more information, right? So in one direction only, because you cannot exchange the more information for less without losing. So I will create an example, right? So here, okay, so we will have a test. So here we will create a thing package which, oh really, it exists. Okay, so where is it? Twitch. Then I will create package parser 11x, right? And then we will create the class the Liskov. All right, so now here we are, and I will create a here like the inner class, right? Which will be class, and this will be the parent. And this will have some parameter, right? So integer age, for example, right? And then we have a class which will extend that, which will be the child, and that will be extends parent. Here we go, and this will have also some another field. I don't know. Yeah. So string gender without. Oh, no, come on. With one n. Right. So now, if I have the polystatic method, and I will create a new instance of the parent, right? So which would be Liskov dot new parent. Oh, I need an instance of Liskov. Okay, so new Liskov, create that, and then I will create an instance of the parent. So I'll create it. Oh, come on. New Liskov dot new Liskov. The fuck did I did that? You know what? Fuck this. I'll do it. I'll do this. And you go outside. Here we go. We don't have a problems now. I can do new parent, right? So the parent, and then I have a new. Oh, come on. New child. So the thing is that you can refer to a parent class by the child reference, right? So this will be, I will have a child reference equals parent, and that is yeah, I need to cast it. That's okay. And then but I think you cannot do it all other way around, which you would have parent reference, and that will be parent or child. Oh, and it goes. Okay. Okay, so I misunderstood what it says. Hey, thank you for follow. I will probably regret that. Yeah, it definitely isn't, and I just proved myself wrong by writing this. so, it's more like you can use subtype where you use a parent and still be correct. As subtype of T, then object of type P might be replaced with subject of type S. With S, an object of type T might be substituted with any object of S without altering any of the desirable properties of the program. Yes. More formally, the Liskov substitution principle is particular definition of rotating call-strong behavior. Okay. So I was on the right path, but not entirely. And the problem here is that the parent has only the age, right? So if you reference parent by a child reference, you don't lose anything. You are still able to access the previous information, the age. But if you have the child reference and or the other way around, if you have the parent reference and you are trying to refer to this, I should not be able to do parent reference dot gender. Insert dot gender. This is a problem. But if I'm on the child reference, I can do the age and gender, no problem. Even though I'm a reference to a parent, I still get the access to here. I always reference the super attributes from a main subclass. Yes. Yes, you do. This sounds right. Yes. Yes. Hey, Rotus. How are you? Super just invokes the parent constructor, so it depends on what you're trying to do. Well, it can this will access the parent constructor, but it also can access parent properties, right? If I have a parent and age will be 0, and then I will have a here integer age here as well, and this will be 1, 2, 3. If I have a here method with print super age, it will take no parameters and print super age, and we will print out super.age. We will not access that, but the parent thing, right? So if I do, come on, if I comment this out, and here I will on some child, so let's say child dot print super age, and I run it, it will print class exception not 8. Yeah, I don't care about that right now. You see, I get 0. Super is just doing the parent, so it depends what you're trying to do. True, but you can also, as we just showed, you can also reference the fields of the parent to figure out if I need to typecast when using the super attributes. No, you don't. You don't. So for example, here I don't cast, right? And I'm accessing the age from the parent, not the age in here. Yeah, so no, we said hi. Was that clickety sound happening now and then? Oh, no. It's the audio cue that you are typing here in chat, so I don't miss it. I have a program, it's called, I don't know how it's called. Help. About help. Chatty. And it has this thingy. Yeah. Which have that sound. That is a notice for me that someone is typing. Okay, so yeah, so that was said. Sound for new text message in chat. Yes, Rotus knows it. Is that so helpful, guys? Oh, was it? Well, good, nice. Sorry. Sorry for the confusion. Hey, Esse. Yes, but I need to like confirm some terms and conditions or something. And well, technically speaking, yes, I am, but I don't say that loud because I don't feel I'm that good. So I did made a living for a few years as a programmer. Oh well, yeah, I need to confirm something. You know what? I can do it now, but I have to do it off stream. Where's that? Where's that thing? Where's my thing where I do the thing and then I'm oh, here we go. So yes, and then I set up two-factor authentication. Okay, go and okay, enable, and now I do. Oh my god, you cannot use the keyboard to select the phone number. It's a little bit annoying. Oh, here we go. Okay, continue. Oh my god, do I remember my password? Hopefully yes. Oh, and now I will get the confirmation code somewhere. Where's my phone? Where's my everything? Okay, cool. So get it here, and oh, they just send it to a Gmail. All right. All right. So. What? Typo. Okay. Oh my god, now they will send something in here, okay. Oh my god, now I have to install some other application. It's kind of lengthy process. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Developer College, yeah, 3 years old. Congratulations. Focusing on Java mainly, still deciding what I want to do with it. Yeah, it's sometimes hard to decide. There we go. Oh yes, that's like so much things to choose from, what to do, and it can be overwhelming. Okay, so I think now. Oh, so we have this. Invalid code, 6-digit. The hell? This doesn't work. It's more complicated than I thought it would be to set this up. My god. Okay, so hopefully it will. How is this called? Oh wow. It did log me out. Okay, which means what? Oh, okay, so might have a problem. Again, maybe no. How much do I have to? I did enter so much things already. Like, what should I do now? Enter the code found in Authenticator app. Okay. Okay. Okay, so am I now done? Am I... is this now... I don't know, how can I tell? If I do go to Twitch, professional, and wait, mute, and go to view it, will I know if I'm already affiliate or no? I don't know. Oh, here's Essie. Esse. But this icon was not here. This is new. So I guess maybe I am already. I don't know. I don't know. What projects? Well, currently this is my project. After that I will do some stupid shit like stopwatch and then some CRUD application. I want something with a Java Spring on the back end and JavaScript, maybe TypeScript, and Angular on the front end. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I have been planning. Yeah, especially I like the queries. You don't have to write like all the queries. You can just call a method and that's it. Well, if you want to have it because of a job, yeah, Spring Boot is good, and the application which you want to do is any CRUD application. You know, like yeah, some API, update on a database, delete. You know, like communication with the front end. And that should be it, I think. Oh, anyway, we are doing the streams, the input and output, and we are fooling around in here, but I was doing here the streams. So if I run this, it should copy, and it didn't. Cannot find the path specified. Oh, I'm really glad to do so. Really glad. I'm happy. If I have the opportunity to be useful, I'm always trying to grab it. I feel there was not many opportunities for me to do so lately, so I'm glad you came. Yeah, I will have a look how I did it in the other example. Here I have I says source and then things. Okay, so I'll try that. And let's see if that works. And it works. Here we go. So now in the output file we should have text. Here we go. So we did it. We know how it works. We are professional now. Twitch and your partners use technologies such as cookies. Blah blah blah. Third-party personalized ads. I would like to disable ads. I don't want to have ads on my stream. If that will be possible, I will find it. Okay, and Twitchy just broke. Oh well. Never mind. Just doing the authentication kinda screwed up everything around here. Am I still online? It seems like nothing works. Here. Am I still online? Yeah, it seems like I'm still online. Never mind. So we did this. And so we did the input stream and the output stream. Okay, cool. But there was more, right? There was like some fuckery which we can do around that. And that was the like another streams. You put like this input and output stream inside of like another one, and then you can write some objects in it, if I remember correctly. Maybe we'll figure it out. So we'll continue in this, I suppose, and I will do just the output stream, I guess, which will be new some kind of data output stream, we will say. We will put that, and we do output stream in here, right? And after reading all the input, we will do data output stream dot write UTF, which will be a string, and we will say we'll do a next line probably. This comes from data output stream. Here we go. Right. We can do something else. Am I here alone? Did everyone? Oh yeah, I lost everyone. Everyone's gone. So maybe I did messed up with the stream too much, and now it died. Okay. Oh, that happened. That happened. I'll have it out for you. Okay. Okay. Cool then. I was a little bit worried that you know, like it asked me about like the authentication, and now in the OBS like I have like this black fields instead of Twitch stats and so on. So it works well, thank you. So that output stream, I will write something integer, for example. Right. Right. Integer 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, if we run it, it runs, and the file now consists of. Okay. So the new line looks funky. And then we have the integer here, 1, 2, 3, and that looks funky too. And there's this. Whew. Okay. So we tried the data output stream, and now I'm like missing something. So yeah, there's data being written in different encodings in one file. Yeah, that might be why. That might be why. So let's try to do this then. I'll just output this, you know, just from the data output stream, and let's see if that changes anything. It doesn't, but I still can change something, and that will be, I will write just the number, run it again, and have a look. And now it's that. Okay, so that did not work out as expected, but maybe I can read it, right? Maybe I can say we'll have the input stream, and I will create a new data input stream, put inside the input stream, extract it, and I will read from that file and just print it out. So I can data input stream dot read. Okay, so let's do that. It will be. Does it have some method like hasNext or something like that? Data input stream. Dot rechar hasNext. How do you use this thing? I don't want to use data output stream if you step into write in, the doc should tell you why. It's encoding your input as 4 bytes. Oh. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out, answering to this, I'm trying to figure out how the input and output streams did work. Don't remember exactly. So here's the doc for it. Data input stream, let's see, application read primitive data info stream in a machine dependent way. Write data account later, but be read by data input stream. Yeah, we had this problem. Now we fixed the creating file while reading from it. Right, and okay. So we go right. Oh, come on. Where do I have expand all? I don't. Okay, that's just great, isn't it? Isn't it great? No, it isn't. That is right. Where the fuck does it? I didn't use right end, right? I did something else. I did. Yeah, I did right end, and it's on the data output stream. So if I go here and say date right end, I don't get it here. I hate it when it doesn't show control plus numpad, whatever. I don't have a numpad in here. Right it, and so that comes from data output, which is okay. Writes an encode to an underlying output stream as 4 bytes. High bytes first. If no exception is thrown, the counter is incremented. Okay. And why is that problem? I don't know why is that problem. Yeah, I just don't understand why is the problem. Right, look at the right end. Okay, so that's here, right? Also, you can do it from your code. Default key binding is Ctrl B when you have a cursor. Oh, thank you. I'm trying now the Vim key bindings. It's a little different in there, so I'm always confused. That's the benefit of using Vim key bindings, at least so far for me. I'm confused all the time, and I don't know what the keyboard is doing. But I do it fast. So fast. Sometimes I like it, but sometimes I'm really confused. Why is the problem the 4 bytes? I still don't get it. Well, nonetheless, that is the behavior which we see. If I would like to read the line now and output it, right, to console, so I can see if maybe it's in some weird format, but I can read it okay, right? So I do read. Read UTF. Yeah, why not? It will be string S. Oh, why not? And I will print it out. And let's see what will happen. Error will happen. So that's nice. It's end of stream exception. That's not how I did imagine that, and what just happened to my IntelliJ? Okay, it's good now. It's good now. No need to panic. Anyway, this means we are out of the time limit, which means we will figure it out in the next round. So I'll stop this timer.